Welcome to Understanding Your Production Tools. In this section, we're going to be teaching you how to use the most fundamental tools that you will use most days, including EQ, compression, saturation, clipping, and time-based effects like delay, reverb, chorus, and flanger. It's going to be labeled 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 as the other sections, so you know how to go in order to follow them. We're also going to teach you the mindset that you need and the questions you need to be asking yourself before, during, and after using these plugins, because that's what this course is about. It's not just showing you how to use them, it's trying to show you how to think. And of course, you're not going to know everything by the end of this course. The way you know everything is by repetition. We're going to teach you how all the plugins work. We're going to teach you all the different parameters so you can make informed decisions to get the best result every single time. Once you've completed this section of the course for a mindset and how to use these tools, we're then going to apply these processes time and time again when we start to make tracks. Remember, the key to this is understanding exactly what these plugins do, asking the right questions, and then repetition until each of these things become second nature to you.